Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a UN screen. So what I want to do is I'm gonna go to the capital sign and click the paint one, and we're gonna click on the T for text, and for color it's going to be different. So we're gonna go for UN screen. We're gonna just change the color of UN to the orange one, and I'm going to now write down UN. Instead of sprite one, we're gonna write down UN, and we're gonna go back to the code, and we will center it. Right, so now I'm gonna go to the events and grab it. When flag is clicked, we're gonna go to the looks and grab hide, and we're gonna go to the events again and grab when I receive win. Then I'm going to go to the looks and grab show. And for next one, we're going to be making the game over one. So again, we did the same thing for the human one, but we've got it. And here we already have the T for text. But for the colors, let's say purple. Yep. So here we're gonna write down game over for the hot air balloon game, and I'm just going to, instead of sprite one, we're gonna write down game over. Right now, we're gonna go back to the code and grab when green flag is clicked. Then we're gonna go to the logs and grab the hide. And for the game over one, I'm just going to now go to the events and grab when I receive game over. Then I'm gonna go to the logs and grab the show log. Alright, so when I'm gonna click the green flag, I'm gonna show you how the game over works. So here I have lives, which is I have 3 lives. So if any birds touch the hot air balloon, then the hot air balloon will lose its life. There. I lost all 3 lives because the bird touches the hot air balloon. So that's for the game over one. And next what I want to show you is the you win one. So I'm gonna the you win screen will show because I've now reached to 20, and there you go. You win screen and game over one has now been shown, and thanks for watching. I hope you like this video.